styles and I rip and flip the script and I'm back in attack and I'm ready to bust. Never take you to hell, I trust like what? Let me take you duck down when you see me coming down, make you cup of clowning. I don't give a damn in the Rico range. Your ass in the test and I check where your brain. People be talking that shit, explaining. Let me show you what I mean, got game. Everything in it seems a shame, but let me tell you, man, I bring the pain. Fuck these lames. People talking shit, try to say to my face, better say it safe. See what you say when I place this game. You can base a fake and I shift your ass, you never believe. Try to mess with me, you will see. Just like you try to pay little. And let me take it like bite-sized Skittles. Bitch, please, try to mess with me. I'm an OG from the streets and I know how to rhyme and I know how I do. I'll do that for eternity. Now believe. And I'll fucking put your ass on fire. Call extinguish. And let me just tell you what I mean. This shit's like astonishment. It's like how the hell I do this life. But let me just tell you, but I'll be polite. But I'll tell you, fuck your pride. Yeah, y'all really wanna rewind everything and I say every day. And it's all the same and I don't play. And I try to maintain and that's the game. And that's the way I do. Oh yeah, okay, Y'all don't really wanna see me, but y'all can stop that loop. But let me just tell y'all, are y'all mind with me? It gets pollute. Yeah. And y'all catch that boot like camp, let me tell you I'm the champ. Look at my belt and look at me, I like this atmosphere like a lamp. Yeah, like a light post on the side of the street when it's on. That's what I do and I'm a fucking rap, let me tell you, carry on. Yeah, whatever you say, whatever, never. In the measure the better, you better watch out, better check your blood pressure. It's high as fucking, you might get a stroke and you might just die out and you might get a bleed. But let me tell you, that's what happens. A fucking EMS is what you need to carry your ass out. From my perspective, and let me tell you what I mean, it's like I'm a collective, and I'ma collect my lyrics like I got them in my dome, but that's just me, and everything I say, man, I fucking know, and I show like up on the stage, and I'm fucking loose like a fucking dog straight up out his cage, and I bring them rage, and y'all best to turn that fucking page, cause that's what we do, yeah, and I'm 35 years of age, but still I can fucking break it down and break them off. But let me tell you what I mean, I don't really break them soft. But I would tell them no, but they better listen, better pay attention. Cause if they don't, then they are gone. Let me tell you, man, cause I'm sent on a mission. Yeah, y'all better listen to everything I'm spitting. I'm doing this thing and I can't stop it till the day my casket drops on the ground like 6 feet deep. You know what I mean? My brothers might keep. And if y'all don't know me, I don't really got too many motherfucking secrets to keep. Cause I'm real as fuck and I'll tell the truth. And you know the name, you look at me, you know it's Luke. And it's like boo, and I hate it spook. But that's what I do, yeah, and you should too, yeah. Like these things that you can't feel, man, this shit's like,
I'm